this is an artillery cannon. It shoots TNT a lot of blocks away from the cannon. As you can see right here, it's in action. And that's what it does.
And how did you build it?
So how I built this is all obsidian. But to understand why I put obsidian there, you're going to have to understand that obsidian is unexplodable. Here's a demonstration. See, it's unexplodable. So, this water stream right here, what does this do? Well, it basically carries the TNT over to this fence gate and this slab. What the fence gate and slab does is it basically stops it from going overboard so it doesn't just fall into the ground and explode this whole entire project. The next part about this is the redstone repeaters and the redstone. So the redstone basically makes it so that the dispensers can drop the TNT onto the water. And then after it does all of that, these redstone repeaters will slow down the time. Here, as you can see here. They will slow it down. They will delay the time, which basically makes it so that it can launch farther instead of just blowing up this, or this whole area, which I kind of failed on. So you can set the tick delay, but my favorite is this one. And as you can see right here, you're probably wondering, like, what does this do? Well, it actually helps with the delay. So redstone dust can travel through glass, and that makes this glass very important, because using any other block will block off this, and that's not a good sign for this, because this dispenser actually needs to shoot out TNT in order for this cannon to work. Otherwise, it'll just go over here. You don't want that to happen. You want it to launch farther, not closer. After all of that, this glass block is really important, and I'm going to tell you why. Because TNT can spawn in different places. Like, here's an example. So I'm going to put this TNT in the dispenser, and you're going to watch it happen. So as you can see, it kind of spawned off to the side. You don't want that to happen. So here's another example, just for you to know that I'm not bluffing. There you go. See, it spawned on the other side. So after all of that, you can finally build your own artillery cannon. And this design is, pretty simple compared to other designs. But I definitely recommend doing this design because I spent so long on this.
Okay,